Hey guys, it's Ashley. Today I have a little PR unboxing. This is most of this is like skincare, body products, but there is one toy in here which I'm super excited about. So I'm just going to start busting into these. This first is a new launch from Saints and Sinners, who is like one of my favorite hair care companies. This is a salon quality product, so you cannot go and buy this like on Amazon or eBay. It's probably counterfeit, but they did release this new hairspray. So this is, and I haven't tried it out yet. This is just the PR unboxing, so we're just like first looks, okay? So this is the Saints and Sinners Divine Flexible Working Hairspray. This is 8 ounces, so it's a big bottle. Let's smell it. Oh, it went away. It's like powerful. It has like a baby powder type smell, but look at the package, it's so gorgeous. I love their products. I just love them. Let's see what it says here. Get sprayed. Fast flash drying technology. Stays touchable, always brushable. Deodorants keep hair fresh. Luxe scalp skincare ingredients. Layerable for more hold. Never white, never sticky. Quinoa for conditioning. Antioxidants for protection. Protects hair color from fading. Eliminates static. Adds shine. Keratin safe. French lavande rose citrus fragrance. Ooh. It's kind of hot here today. I don't know why. Well, I do. It's been thunderstorming and it's just hot. And they always send these little things with the little seal. So I will be doing a full review on all these products. If you're interested in those, they'll be on the blog or on my Instagram. Get ready to get sprayed. Well, that's all it says. So there is that. This next product is another new launch, which is really exciting. This is from Sky Organics, who I work with a lot. I do like their products. Oh, darn. You like how I'm using manicure scissors for opening boxes? It's terrible. Oh, Lord. I'm actually making myself nervous. Okay. Here it is. All right, so they have come out with their own micellar water. It says, hi, Ashley. We hope you enjoy our new micellar water. Hashtag Sky Micellar. So this is a micellar cleansing water. It's for dry and sensitive skin. Oh, there's 2 different options. I do remember I chose the dry. They asked, like, what would you prefer? And I was like, dry skin. So this has organic damask rose and organic aloe vera, face and eyes, cleanses and removes makeup, and no need to rinse. So this is 18.6 ounces. I don't know what this retails for, but I will be doing a full review on that. All right. Next we have something I'm super, okay, and I'm going to be totally honest. My girlfriend was over at my house. She saw this package. She was like, what is that? What's in there? I was like, because we, you know, we're both big fans of Ren Clean Skincare. And I was like, let's speak. So I already know. But I love, it says, take a good trip. Hashtag good trip. So what could it be? Keep calm and shroom on. So inside here is their Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask, which I actually have one of these. Like I got a sample, like maybe a Birchbox or an Ipsy a really long time ago. So there's that, and that's a full size 1.7 fluid ounces. But then there is the Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Wait, no. Where's the mushroom thing? One of these was a mushroom thing, I thought. Oh, girl, what are you doing? I'm all over the place. I thought there was mushroom in it. Or maybe one of them contains mushroom extract. I don't know. I actually think it's this Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. Because it's a... Maybe they both have mushroom. Camellia oil. I don't know. Check out the full review. I might do a YouTube review for these because I did the other one and people were really interested in, and they do create really amazing products. And they always smell good and they like feel good on your skin. And the packaging is like, look at the packaging. How nice. I love it. So that will be interesting. I'm curious where that went. Hold on, we can read the card. Duh, Ashley. All right, so, okay, so the rescue mask, I was right. And I think I had a rescue. They might have a few different rescue masks as far as I know. I'm like so hot right now. But this one has white griffin mushroom extract. So you leave that on for 15 minutes and rinse it off. And then the other one is a day cream. Just one pump of that on your face for great moisturization. They're all free of yucky ingredients and they're effective, which is really important in a skincare product like that. All right, finally, sorry. What are you doing? Oh. Okay, that's enough. Don't bite me. I don't like that. This is from Picasso tiles. So we actually found these at like the library. And I think they're like the most amazing thing. Like, I just thought they were so neat for like an adult, for kids of all ages. They're very intriguing. So I have not shared this with you guys yet. It's been a few months. It's part of the reason I do both videos. Like, you'll see me wearing the same clothes in like 7 videos. I started watching some children in my neighborhood. And so we've been doing that. And I thought this would be great. So this is the 60-piece set for them. I'm going to do a full review on these. I cannot wait. I am like a kid with toys. It's just terrible. I'm terrible. So I'm super excited. I'm just so excited. So look for that in the next few weeks. That is everything that I received in all my PR for this past week. Not a whole lot, but a good amount of fun stuff to try out. If you're interested in seeing the full reviews, I'll be linking those, and I'll be posting everything. If you follow me on Instagram, you should follow my blog. Check all those things out if you're interested. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. So, do you want to say bye? You want to say bye?